Hey guys,
Spaghetti.
Trubbish TV here with good old Spaghetti Boy Eats and Jacob.
Not a channel yet, but
And we're gonna unload. We're gonna unbox this Overwatch loot box. Let's see what we get.
legendary.
You see this? You see this? Look at this legendary triple double crunch wrap. We all got legendaries. What is this? All right, let's peep this out. Jesus, this is hot.
What is that?
Hey, Trubbish TV, get it right.
Is that actually a true thing?
Oh man, one second. I gotta put the camera down just while I take this.
This is super nacho.
This monstrosity.
Bill.
Alright. We're gonna take a first bite of this.
First bite.
Oh. Wow. That's pretty cheesy. How cheesy do you think that is, Owen?
10 spaghettis out of meatballs.
10 spaghettis out of meatballs? That's a little cheesy.